Hi, my name is Maria Schell and I live in Anchorage, Alaska, and I'm going to share a few tips about making oven mitts. I think that they're a fabulous gift for several reasons. One, you can use up all your scraps. What you do is just sort of piece those scraps together and build out a piece of fabric or a quilt block that's about 10 by 15 inches. You want to do that twice. And then you're going to take your oven mitt pattern and a Sharpie, and you're going to use the pattern and lay it on your 15 by 10 inch block. You can move it around so you can get some fun angles going, and you're going to trace it with the Sharpie. The really important thing to remember is that you don't want to do the same side twice. You want them to be two different sides so that when you sew them together they form one mitt. The other thing I really like about making oven mitts is that it's sort of a mini quilt lesson. You start out by piecing your bits together to get that square that you're going to cut your oven mitt out of, and then you're going to quilt it, and then you're going to bind it. And it makes a lovely gift, and it's a great way to sort of get your quilt fix in a very short, quick fashion. So I hope you find these oven mitt tips helpful, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the next Quilt Week.